Hello guys, hello people, my people. Wonder shall never end. Sylvester family don't go Dunwich College. They don't go stay there, say, because Lagos State governor said the school go open on Monday. Despite say the school give RIP to this young vibrant boy when they call Sylvester. This young guy from I think part Delta, part Urobo and part Ijo, because me I even teach that Urobo shy anyway. But now with the same I say the language that they speak different now Ijo. So maybe Papa na from here, Mama na from here. But the Ijo people don't arrive. All of them arrive Dunwich College. They say they want start school. May they open the school with them on Monday, because people when they give RIP to this little fine boy. This vibrant boy, this boy when he dey healthy, when nothing they do at all, come on headache this boy be no get. Or the commissioner of police Pikin, George, the popular George, I don't know his name for Lagos, his son dey side. And so what lose son dey side? Yes, now be no be so. Now then because now they conclude that now they can't be judged now. For this Christmas period, all of them conclude everything. They make sure say they set the people when they give RIP to this little boy. They set all of them free. They say now the boy, as the court tell us now the boy decide to drink all those things when they drink by himself. Now the boy by himself, he can't they jump up, they use the chest, this guy. Now the boy by himself use the head. In fact, everything will happen to the boy do it by himself. According to them, they go manipulate autopsy, come aside. Wetin Nigeria government of you do, you know they exist anywhere. Wetin only the most armed robber. And anyway, they Nigeria, which is Nigeria police officers, the so-called IG and commissioners, they are the most. Oh Jesus, only God know what those people be. They are worse than Boko Haram. They are worse than Fulani headsmen. Trust me. So, because of people who are involved for this matter, children, lawyer children, judges children, politicians children, and state governors children. So, because of 5 of them involved. So these 5 of them, they're free. They say no accusation. They have no hand in it. Even though say they give RIP, no matter. They are above the law, so they can go home. And now on Monday, the school go commission. So now the Job brothers go there say, Lila, know they work. Make I play the video for now, man. Not just waste my time. Watch from 1 to 1. On Monday, it's going to be hot. Just stay tuned. Watch the video, guys. Okay, watch another one.
We are here today to express our anger and our grievances with the fake and corrupt report released by the Lagos State Director of Public Control that this school where artists have been trained and recruited, that the 5 people that killed our son without trial, without concluded investigation, they said they cleared this school to open. If they open this school, the whole generation will come to this school. Let them try us and see. If they open this school on Monday, the whole generation will come. We will carry our school bags. We will carry our feeding bottles. We will carry our food. We will join them in this school. Let them bring armor tank here. Let them put armor tank one here, one the back gate, one the hostel. We have the capacity. We will, if they don't give us justice, this school cannot be open. I want to send a message to the governor of this state. I believe he's a well-trained person. If he's suppressing justice, then he will not. This school will not have peace. Lagos will not have peace. Nobody can stop us. When this happened, we said, okay, we want justice. We fold our hands. It's the first time in the history of this world we are hearing that before an investigation was concluded, before a case are going to court, These suspects are under bail. All of a sudden, on the holiday, on Saturday, Sunday, Christmas Day, New Year Day, they judge the case in their house. They clear them. We will bring them here. Our son cannot die. And their own children will not walk into this school. It's not possible. It's not possible. It is not possible. It's not possible. We want justice. We want justice. Justice must not be done, but must be seen to be done. That's what we stand for. Bible for.
So more videos there, guys. Watch further.
Hi, John. Yeah. Buri, John. Yeah. Asawana. Yes, me, Mama is on two. Oh, what's about?
No, just go.
Mama dog about more down. Oh, put down. It's on about me, man. Me doing college. I'm in a Bamo. I'm in a Yoruba to my house out of my. You both to my. You question to me. Hey, don't noise. You don't come in the power and me come in. School me. Funton one me. Finia five. And about you? Funton one finia five. A boy, but on a white woman fire to fire. My school finia five. I know Romania. Romani. I'm going to wake me a Silvassa. A wait white artery. A minute boy bow to us a can make a backroom. Barbara Pie. You see about border man. A minute may I mean, many your back man. Carry over governor. A carry about this and that. Bad as they are. It's on to go take a new one meow. A walk come call. May you also build with me. And my barman and my board are back. 1999, when I'm so do I. So, can a mother of fight will come. Check out on my zone with woman. We will avenge and revenge. And about you? Yeah. My barman and brother. My school man. Lecturer can cover. Principal can cover. Don't me, I come and say, can make hospital amway. You never forget fee. Portable summer, one job lot is more than $1 million. Yes. Because I'm going to Lagos system. Enough is enough. Boaba! Tumga when you come Alabama to you. Oboka when you go Alabama to you. Ome Carmen, Obobanane, Pinipanane, Pumpanane, Janeva, Pinipanane. Agono, Krio, doing school, Buffing and fight. Even in the circumstances, why Justice Copreaba. Justice take me, ma'am. Ye may accredit. The Pocremio. To see you, Pocremio, and Eka Justice. Monsieur Faber, you're about to Puma fight. I was out of my baby on Puma fight. You bought to Puma fight. Boy, maybe on Germany. I was in Lagos September, bow me. Division will start from here. Metro Justice the Boaba. Ograklia, Brang Basu. Ekreme Bosu, Ekreme Bayabo, Tomebe, Kolakuma, Bema, Teria, Sadan about 10 years ago. Bulusubu, Calabare, Kamasabo, Asadabo Swai. What are angels? I took a mammy, Mum, what happened there? Pumuda was I was so dog. And about ye.
So my people, now so we see this matter. This school no go lie open. No, injustice to one, injustice to all. Nigeria, now don't see how corrupt that country be. Like how corrupt that country become. When the head is sick, the whole body will be restless. That's Nigeria. Because Muhammadu Jubri is a stable human being. Muhammadu Jubri. I don't want the if I say make I talk the way this thing in my mind. This video say YouTube if you not even agree, make I even post them. Make I just go. I pray on Monday these people go there and we go there here to show now everything. That school must not open. Either on a like or not, it no go open. That school, it no go open. Lie. Thank you all guys.